I have realized that money problems always stem from not lack of funds but also from the way I think and talk about money. While I used to fear having money because I saw wealthy people with problems, I now know I would rather have the problems of having money than the problems of not having it. I am making conscious efforts to eliminate the word spared from my vocabulary, as saying it makes it feel like money is gone forever, causing me to subconsciously dismiss it. Instead, I am retraining my mind to look at my finances as circulating money in the cycle of abundance. I now define my circulation of money returning to its point of origin. By framing my transactions this way, I believe that the money I use to pay my bills will return to me multiplied in a never-ending cycle of increase and enjoyment. Furthermore, I treat money as a sensitive, psychic entity that responds to love and positive thoughts. If I speak negative about it, I am effectively telling it to leave. Therefore, I am focusing on affirmations that ensure my money stays and grow. Thank you.